Elvis.
Yo, Zora.
Hustle the fight, go stuck in a trap, go dusty, go finna dusty trap. Don't wanna talk about pain or shit that we did, cause that shit get me mad. Me and broski like Jason and Freddy, fam is them broski, I see stop holly. I was on a high try make this beats, fam is them broski, I see stop holly. I'm for a hobby, bando, hostile. My niggas better make this count. I fuck up the beat, no CID. If I fuck me, I hope I'm riding violent. Buying about 20 fees, back by your broski, was Jeff, go, you know big feet, I'm shit now, what? You wanna hate this, don't break my broski rising. On the block, no hesitation, going back right now. Your hobby stuff round rise this 6. Your broski left you in the mix. Lil' bro just tapped in the head, and one can't get sent to the bed, get sent out 6. Pulling up dead, they're ducking, but we ain't no vest. Grab shit, pull up big guests, better have your vest. Call it from vest, 99% loading you into the dust. All of my gang, we looking all frosty. Let me get round there with his body. I was a bit confused, my broski stood and left his missus. Fucking bitches, the shank on my waist and his spies pulling their body just to be running low. They get pressure by end and do a marathon. Instead of a fucking mission, fucking dummies. Look that you know I'm a northside digger when I pull up in. When I pull up in Vest, little broski, carrying the hand, go more for the backseat. If you ride in OT, man, get put in the spot where you make you panic. Northside, baby, got a blick in your back, pulling up right there, was goodie. Little bro go loco, shots to your head like Henny, shining out Uzi. All of my niggas on full of town, red beam and straight to his heady. 2 shots to his belly, get popped like a pill, go catch your body on life. Little shorty got sun in the backseat, and I got this big vibe in the back of the bag. And if I don't catch it, pick it up to score. Can't let him out, on the future, sinful BT, swimming in range, keeping it GG. Keep talking like we gon' be formed. Pop your shit in your whole life too. All 2 seasons and stealing crew like I'm fucking with all of the old since April. I put niggas on and they ain't said thank you. These niggas really ungrateful.